¿Qué pasa, estudiantes? The topic of this tutorial is article-noun-adjective agreement. In order to learn how to make them agree, we need to know what these parts of speech are. An article is a word used with a noun to indicate specific or non-specific persons, places, or things. A noun is a word that names a person, animal, place, or thing. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Let's review their grammatical properties. Gender is a property that divides Spanish pronouns, nouns, and adjectives into masculine and feminine groups. Number is a property that divides Spanish nouns, pronouns, adjectives, articles, and verbs into singular and plural groups. In Spanish, noun-adjective word order is different than in English. In Spanish, adjectives follow the nouns that they describe. Por ejemplo, if we communicate a pretty girl in Spanish, we would say una chica bonita, which literally translates to a girl pretty. The adjective bonita follows una chica, the noun it describes. If we communicate the serious man in Spanish, we would say el hombre serio, which literally translates to the man serious. The adjective serio follows el hombre, the noun it describes. If we communicate some disorganized boys in Spanish, we would say unos chicos desorganizados, which translates to some boys disorganized. The adjective desorganizados follows unos chicos, the noun it describes. If we communicate the artistic women in Spanish, we would say las mujeres artísticas, which literally translates to the women artistic. The adjective artísticas follows las mujeres, the noun it describes. Let's talk about adjectives and gender. Adjectives that end in an A or an AS are feminine. Adjectives that end in O or OS are masculine. And adjectives that end in E or ES are neutral. In other words, they can be masculine and or feminine. Now let's talk about adjectives in number. To make a singular adjective plural, add a S to the end of the word. To make a plural adjective singular, drop the S from the end of the word. In Spanish, nouns, their articles, and their adjectives must all agree in gender and number. This is what is called noun-adjective agreement. Let's look at some examples to see how the articles, nouns, and adjectives from each phrase all agree in gender and number. If we look at the phrase una chica bonita, the easiest way to identify the gender and number of the noun is to look at the article used with it. Una is a feminine, singular, indefinite article, and the noun and the adjective are as well. If we study the phrase el hombre serio, the easiest way to identify the noun's gender and number is to look at the article used with it. El is a masculine, singular, definite article, and the noun and adjective that follow it are masculine and singular as well. If we look at the phrase unos chicos desorganizados, the easiest way to identify the gender and number of the noun is to look at the article used with it. Unos is a masculine, plural, indefinite article, and the noun and adjective are as well. Finally, if we look at the phrase las mujeres artísticas, the easiest way to identify the gender and number of the noun is to look at the article used with it. Las is a feminine, plural, definite article, and the noun and adjective that follow it are feminine and plural as well. This concludes the tutorial on article-noun-adjective agreement. Hasta pronto!